Stop scrolling. I'm about to break your brain in the next 10 seconds. Following your passion is the worst advice you've ever received. Yep, worse than just be yourself on a first date or sleep on it when your house is on fire. And if you've been chasing passion like it's the magic golden snitch that will solve your life, I've got news. You're running on a hamster wheel in Gucci slides. But don't worry, I'm not here to crush your dreams. I'm here to upgrade them. So if you're feeling stuck, confused, or like you missed your calling, this video is about to blow your mental socks off. And if you have the guts to finish till the end, I'll share my personal tip with you. Let's dive into the 10 brutal truths about passion and what actually works instead. Number 1, passion is not found, it's built. We've been sold this fantasy that one day you'll trip over your passion, like it's lying under your bed next to that missing sock from 2018. Spoiler alert, passion isn't a destination. It's a muscle. It's built brick by brick through doing, through trying, through sucking at something until you don't. Steve Jobs didn't wake up one day with iPhones dancing in his dreams. He got curious, he got obsessed, and he got rich. So if passion isn't something you find, then what should you look for instead? Number 2, follow curiosity, not fireworks. Forget, do what sets your soul on fire. That's how people end up joining cults. Instead, follow what makes you lean in, even just a little. Curiosity is underrated. It's quiet. It doesn't scream, "This is your destiny." It whispers, that's interesting. And the more you follow those breadcrumbs, the clearer your path becomes. But let's say you're curious about 17 things. Netflix, pottery, crypto, dog yoga. Where do you even start? Number 3, action creates clarity. Thinking your way into clarity is like trying to learn swimming by reading about it in the bathtub. You don't think your way into passion. You do your way into it. Pick something. Try it. Fail. Succeed. Adjust. You don't need a master plan. You need momentum. Clarity doesn't come before the leap. It follows it. Okay, but what if you try something and you hate it? Then what? 4, quitting isn't failing. 6, let me tell you something controversial. Quitting is a power move. If you try something and it sucks, great. You just ruled out a dead end faster than most people. Passion isn't about getting it perfect the first time. It's about eliminating the wrong fits so the right ones can shine. Scientists call it experimentation. I call it career Tinder. Swipe left till it feels right. So if trial and error is the key, how do you stay motivated through all the mess? Number 5, fall in love with boring. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Even your dream job has boring parts. The YouTuber you admire spends hours editing jump cuts while eating cereal in sweatpants. The chef you follow scrubs pans and deals with suppliers who ghost her. Passion isn't about avoiding boredom. It's about finding something you're willing to be bored for. Still with me? Good, because the next one flips everything we've been taught about work you love. Purpose comes from usefulness, not ego. We think passion is about what makes us feel good. But real purpose, the stuff that sticks, comes from what helps others. You want meaning? Do something that solves a real problem. Something that makes someone else's day a little easier, better, or less painful. The more value you create, the more fulfillment you feel. All right, philosopher, but what if I still don't know what I'm meant to do? Am I just broken? Number 7, you're not broken. You're early. Not knowing your passion isn't a flaw. It's a phase. Nobody has their life mapped out at 20 or 30, or let's be honest, even at 40. You're not late. You're just comparing your messy behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel. Your path is allowed to be weird, chaotic, experimental. That's not dysfunction. That's discovery. Let's zoom in on the pressure cooker itself. Why does find your passion feels so urgent anyway. Number 8. The passion myth is just that. A myth. The phrase, "find your passion," got popular in the 1980s. Right around the time people were putting cocaine in Coca-Cola. Coincidence? I think not. It's a shiny idea, marketable, poetic, but not practical. Ask most successful people, and they'll tell you, passion emerged from the process, not the plan. Okay, but if passion is a result and not a starting point, then how do you actually build it? Number 9, mastery fuels passion. Here's the magic trick. The more skilled you become at something, the more passionate you feel about it. Why? Because progress feels good. Getting better at something flips a switch in your brain. You stop feeling lost. You start feeling lit up. It's not just about what you love. It's about what you're willing to get great at. We're down to the final truth, the one most people miss entirely. #10. You don't find passion. You become it. The most passionate people aren't the ones who found something. They're the ones who became someone. They built habits. They fought resistance. They said yes to growth and no to comfort. They didn't wait for clarity. They created it through action. You don't need to discover your calling. You need to become someone who answers the call every single day. So stop hunting for passion like it's hiding under a rock with a neon sign. Start building it like a skyscraper, one intentional brick at a time. Pick something. Try, suck, get better, adjust, grow. Because the real passion, it's in the process, the doing, the becoming. Personal tip, real talk moment. Here's something I wish someone told me earlier. Don't wait to feel ready. Confidence isn't what gets you started. It's what shows up after you've survived the cringe phase. I wasted years waiting for a clear sign, the perfect idea, the lightning bolt moment. Spoiler, it never came. But the second I started doing, even badly, things started clicking. I built momentum. Confidence showed up like, "Hey, I heard you are working." So my tip? Start messy. Start small. Just start. Because you can't steer a parked car, and your future self is begging you to move. Now here's what I want you to do. Hit that like button if you just got value. Drop a comment below with one thing you're going to try this week, just one curiosity you'll chase. And if you're ready to stop watching motivational videos and actually start living one, subscribe. I'm building a tribe of doers, not dreamers. Remember, you don't need a perfect plan. You need forward motion. Let's go build a life that feels better than passion ever sounded. See you in the next one.